Hey, good morning, everyone. We are unboxing this device that I saw at the local Target. Um, it's close to what the DJI have. This one is Snap and Go by Vivitar. And if you look at it, so it comes with all these things inside the box. So it can be snapped onto it's a wearable camera, so you can wear it just like how it is in the picture, as well as how it is. Also, you can put it on a stick, and and it comes with all these things. So let's unbox. I have not yet opened it and see what it has inside. All right, so I have opened it, and so it comes with a case, and that's what they call it, the carrying dock. And right here, it's actually, is it fitted? Is it the same as, no, it goes right here. The device, the camera itself, that's just the display with some controls, this, and things on the side. In addition, it has some multiple brackets with 3M, dual side stickiness, so you can probably put on your car. There's something here for like a tripod or a selfie stick. That is also that the same thing. That's that. There's another case right here. There's another waterproof casing right here. And this is the camera itself. Pretty small, compact, you can see how tiny it is. And my 2-year-old is right on top of me as I'm doing this. So I hope he will let me finish. That's the charging. And so yeah, that's all there is in the box. It comes in a box. And I will be doing some follow-up videos on a separate channel of mine, and using this, and we'll see how it works out. So yep, this was $100, and there was an offer, if you spend something you get $10 back, so I got that, as well as it was a 5% discount. So